그렇게 지금 하겠지 나나나 Hello in Portuguese. My name is Lucas, and I am an ornithologist. In other words, I specialize in study of birds. However, today we are not here to study birds. Today we are here to hold auditions for the upcoming Summer Festival. Now, isn't that exciting? Now, how many of you here love to dance? Let me hear you. That's right. Now make some noise if you love to samba. That's right, everyone. All right, now to help us out, we would like to introduce two of our very special samba-loving friends. You are going to love them. They are blue in colors, exotic in fierce, and they are in love. Do you know who they are? That is right. It's Blue and Jewel. Now, we want all of you to clap your hands twice and shout Blue and Jewel. Are you all ready? Yeah. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. No. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Yo! Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please get excited, shake your tail feathers, and make some noise for Blue and Jewel.
I do. Hello, everyone.
So glad that you could make it to our competition.
great too.
Whoa!
Can't imagine dancing without you. A shooting star ain't really nothing to see.
If you're not riding, dancing next to me. Oh, listen to me, darling. I wake up that morning thinking about the way you feel. Oh, I wonder if you know me. If what good is the morning if you're not around? Listen to me now. What good is love if it's not your love? What good is love if it's not your love?
Wow, that was incredible, you guys! Come on, everybody, let them hear you!
Man, that definitely felt right. We threw down.
Well, you were like fire and ice.
Thunder and lightning, hip and hop.
Cheese and sprinkles. It's an American thing.
Come on, my handsome lover. Practice makes perfect.
Bye, Blue. Bye, Jewel. See you in view. Nico, Pedro, we have the voice speed. You're both late.
Lightning, but the musician early. We are ready to party. To samba, so they say.
Oh, well, don't you think we have quite a few contenders here for the auction?
They certainly look very talented, don't they? You never judge a bird by its feet. Only way to tell is to dance it out. We are looking for a singer, a dancer, the whole band. Let's get moving. First, we need something that can make them wiggle, something that'll make them jiggle, and finally, something that really pops.
Oh, I know just the dance. I can teach them.
All right, time to get our groove on.
Now, to make this fantastic, we need all we have to participate in this next dance. So, who would like to join us? Come on out, don't be shy. That's right, everyone. Now, after we need all we have to stand up on your feet, we've got imaginary rockers in the air. All right, everyone? Just follow along. Very simple step. We call this the funky monkey. Ready? Come on, here we go. Up and down and up and down, side to side, up side to side, up and up and down and up. Now big break over to the right. Now big break over to the left. One time, up and down, up and down, side to side, up side to side, up and down and down. A big break over to the right. Now big break over to the left. One time, up and down and up and down, side to side, up side to side, up and down. And now let's get everybody to finish doing this. Let's go. Ready and go. Now that's the kind of action you bring to an audition. Fantastic job.
Well. Is this a celebration we're having without I'll be hoping on this little party. Step aside. I heard an audition is taking place.
Hi, Nigel. No, yes. Your invitation must have gotten lost in the mail. But now that you are here, show us what you got.
Yeah, stop that yapping and get to flapping.
Time for a professional to show you how it's done. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified. I kept thinking I could never live. I could barely fly. And I spent, so many nights thinking how he did me wrong and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. Go on now, walk out the door. Don't turn around now. It is I who had the fault. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with the fire? Did you think I'd crumble?
Oh no!
Did you think I'd lay down and die?
Oh no, no, no!
I will survive as long as I know how to hate. I know how to stay alive. I got all my life to live,
And it's not all his love to you.
and I will survive.
You will survive.
I will survive.
you needed my fiber, you were staying alive when I was staying alive. Watch where you sit when I spit my sunlight. I was like, boom, you never seen a other two. Rocking and shocking and dropping and popping and locking too. Watch what I can do without no auto-tune.
Say what? Oh no, he
If
didn't.
you try to keep me down, I'll just come back strong. If you try to cut me short, I'll just come back long. If you beat me at ping pong, I'll just play ping pong. Give me my bill, I am ready to fly. One thing I know, I will survive. Yes, thank you. My performance was so striking, so suave, and so very delicious. Now, why did I not get an invitation to your little soiree? An oversight, I presume. What's the matter? Swallow a feather.
Nigel, no one here tries to leave you out. Look, everyone here loves you. You are the star. Let's hear it for Nigel, everyone. Woohoo!
Wow, what was that awful singing? It sounded like a cockatoo being squashed by an elephant.
No, honey. You meant to say we got just the talent we were looking for, right?
Oh, yes, Blue. Just the star we were looking for.
Exactly. In fact, we were just about to show you. Nigel, the dance has been earlier. Right?
Hold your maracas. How do I fit into this little routine?
Well, we hear you quite the maracas player. Maybe you could help us.
To help or not to help? That's the question. I do have the best rhythm in the jungle. Really, you couldn't do it without me.
My thoughts exactly. Ready, Nigel?
Born ready. Lights. Camera. Action.
What's up? Don't bite it. What's up? Don't bite it. Where my birds is coming on, we may go. If you win, it's the emerald we treasure, coming from the jungle to you.
Beating on its heartbeat, playing rhythms with roots.
It's the emerald we treasure, coming from the place where we live, where we live. Sometimes turn up the jungle like a beast, it's a wonder to get out your tube in case someone asks you to dance.
This is the sound of fear.
That's it. You know what? I think all of you are more than qualified to dance at the festival. Sensational. Now, let's celebrate.
Come on, everybody. Together we can go far.
Festival, here we come.
This is awesome. You're my one and only tool. Congratulations on beating the contest. You rock.
Now, please give yourself a big round of applause. This is gonna be the best summer festival ever.
We should really take their car, email, Twitter, Brooklyn Fates. But first, we want to meet all of you.
Yes, let's take some pictures with our new summer festival friends.
villains, vicious and malicious.